Yes, it's recording, sir.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
go ahead and start showing. Uh, First, brief about the case study, and then show about the data sources which you have used, or how you did the data collection and data extraction.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'll first share my screen. So here, what I understood from the task was to get the data from a different source, like any open source, and then like clean the data and then create the visualizations. This is what I understood from the assignment, and I tried to fulfill that requirements. So I got the data from Kaggle website, and one second, so this is my actual data. This is my actual data that I got from Kaggle website. This is one company's data set, and then I took this entire thing to here. Like I used Python and cleaned all the data. So what basically I did
So that is
was,
the sing. So that is the sing.
sorry, sir. Hello. Sir, I can't hear you. Uh,
You are not audible. It is breaking sometimes.
sorry, sir. Am I audible now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So go back to the CSV file.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So basically, how you have to look at is the
Hmm.
case study what you have, right?
Hmm.
Whether this data set has all data or not. Okay. So
Okay.
here, what are the columns you have? You have enrollment ID, city.
City
Uh,
development, gender, and then relevant. One second, sir.
what is city development?
This is completely a data that I got from a random website of data science job
Hmm.
application.
Okay, but did you analyze that all the fields are relevant to your case study or not?
That I didn't check, sir. Got this data, I cleaned the data and did the key visuals.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So if you see here, I see that there are columns which are not relevant. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, but let's go through relevant experience and then what you have? Enroll.
Enrolled. This I'm not able to see.
You click on that. Click on that, then you
Yeah,
can read that.
enrolled university,
University.
and then
Okay.
I have education level,
Education level.
a major discipline,
Discipline.
and then I have experience,
Okay.
company size, company type, and training hours, and the
Okay.
target.
Okay. Okay. So I think several columns which are not relevant. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
now how do you basically get the data, right? So
Okay.
now go back to the case study.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So basically what happens is when you join a company,
Hmm.
okay, and any work is given to you, it will
Hmm.
be given like this as a very high level task.
Okay.
Okay. But
Okay.
you have to figure out all the related data and information correctly, you have to
Mm-hmm.
discuss with all counterparts and the team members,
Mm.
and you have to identify what is that data and data sources that you have to work with.
Okay. Okay. So.
Okay.
Mm.
So right now you don't have a team, but I mean, you did not have team before, but now you have a team,
Oh,
and
yes, sir.
also you can get the data from internet. So internet or your AI tools is your team now. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So for every information which you need, you can figure out and you can generate them accordingly by using the AI tools.
Okay, so actually, at first,
Okay.
I generated the CSV file with the AI using AI, but then it only had
Hmm.
like 10 rows.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
So I thought it
Yeah,
would
I
be
mean, it
better.
requires a lot of effort and a lot of work is required. I'll tell you
Yeah.
how to proceed on
Yeah.
this.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay. So now read the scenario. It says GTS needs an interactive dashboard
Dashboard
to
to
track
track
job
job
application.
applications, hires, payments, and training enrollments.
Out. So basically, four different types of data it is talking about,
Hmm.
right? So first set is job
Job
applications.
application.
Okay. Now just imagine what all different things are involved for a job application and how the workflow happens.
Okay.
So before any job application, there should be some job post,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes,
You
sir.
may have you explored Naukri.com or Indeed.com?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have you applied any job there
Yes, sir.
anytime?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first step is there should be some jobs being posted by some organizations,
Okay.
right? So that
Okay.
means there should be some database tables or any NoSQL data sets where a lot of jobs will be there.
Okay.
Okay, do you have that data?
No, sir.
No, right? So that is one thing. So you need to have that data. Second
Okay.
is there should be a list of all candidates who would be applying for each of those jobs.
Okay. So that
So
in
let's say
sense,
for an example,
how?
let's say there are two jobs. One is for software engineer, another for data science,
Okay.
data analyst. Okay.
Okay.
Now for there would be thousands of candidates who would be applying for these two job roles.
Okay. Hmm.
So there should be a table which should say for which job role, which all candidates have applied,
Okay.
right? So there should be a mapping between the jobs and the applicants. Then
Okay, sir.
there should be some status for the processing of those applications. That is where would be your hires or hiring processing, right?
Okay. Hmm.
So out of, let's say, these two job roles, 1 lakh candidates have applied.
Okay.
Then there should be some automated tool, let's say AI tool, which you might need to build, or data clean up, which you are going to do.
Hmm.
That programs which you will write, that will validate that the job applicants' skills and experiences are matching with the job requirement or not,
Okay.
right? Because
Hmm.
when there are jobs, there would be hundreds of people without reading the job description, they will just apply because
Yeah.
they are so much of in hurry, they don't have time also to read the job profile whether it matches their skills or not,
Yeah.
and they will just click on apply, and they will hundreds applications they will fill up.
Yeah.
So there is a need of the data cleanup.
Okay.
So against job applications, for every candidate, data cleanup has to happen.
Okay.
So you have to write certain applications there, right?
Okay, sir.
Now, once that is done, then there would be different steps for interview.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
One, resumes are shortlisted, then there should be at least 3 to 4 rounds of interview, let's say.
Yeah.
First, there will be initial screening, then there could be first round of technical discussion, second round of technical discussions. Sometimes there could be initially during screening, there should be some test, right?
Yes, sir.
Written test. And then finally, there will be HR interviews. Okay. After the interview, when some people would be selected and offer letter will be rolled out to them. So
Okay.
that process need to be covered up.
Okay, sir.
Once that is done, then there is a payments one, that is one, and training enrollment.
Okay.
So I'll tell you the training enrollment first, and then I'll come back to payment.
Okay, sir.
So training enrollment is for the people who are not selected due to a skill gap.
Oh, okay.
So let's say out of 1 lakh people,
Hmm.
we found that around 50,000 people's skill are not up to the mark.
Mm-hmm.
So we will be sending recommendations for them to take up training from GTS.
Okay. So those who don't
So
have
we'll
like
do
skills required for the job role.
right.
Okay.
So we help them consultation, and we do free consultation with them, and we make them realize what all different skills are lacking or they have the gaps, so that they can take up training from us.
Okay.
And we train them and we make them up to the speed, and then after taking up the training, they should be able to clear the rounds.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
so that will be related to training. So now for training enrollment, there will be again a complete flow of different actions,
Mhm.
and that will involve a lot of different data sets. So there will be training data. For every training, there should be some candidates. Then for every candidate, then again there will be some data, who is taking for how much duration, which skills they are going to learn, for what duration they are going to do, how much payment they need to make, all those things.
Okay.
That will be for training enrollments.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
And
sir.
then payments. For payments will be for both, one for the training and the for the job applications of people who get a job.
Hmm.
Now
Like the
we don't
salary?
take, so not the salary. See, what happens is we are a consultant company also.
Okay, sir.
We are a product development company, we are a consultant company, as well as we give software development training and internship. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
When you clear the software development training and internship, or you are directly selected through our interview process, then we either you join our company as a our employee directly for our products. So that time there is no payment is involved in that.
Okay.
But let's say you have been selected, and we will outsource you to other company. Let's say Tesco is our client, okay,
Hmm.
or Infosys is our client, and they need a software engineer. We will send you to Infosys for work.
Okay.
So at that time, we get some benefit from Infosys.
Okay.
So let's say your salary is 3 lakh. Okay, so they will pay us 3.5 lakhs.
Oh, okay. Mhm.
Right. So we get some commission from that because we are sourcing you. And sometimes you work in our payroll, sometimes you directly join Infosys, but at that time they will give us a lump sum amount.
Okay.
Right. So this is a model. So there are different ways of earning revenues in this model.
Okay.
So you have to think for this each of these thing, what all different data sets could be involved.
Okay.
Okay. So point is, we do have those tables, or we have the databases, data sources, but we will not share you directly. If we do that, then you lost your creativity,
Yeah.
right? So
Yes,
you
sir.
will just copy it and do it, and the work would be done in within a day or a couple of hours. So
Yeah.
basically, at the end, you have nothing to do throughout your internship.
Yes, sir.
So we promote that you do a very good homework. You think through, you explore all different things, and then come up with these data sets, data designs, and then discuss with us and try to demonstrate it,
Yes, sir.
because that is what is required when a new project is assigned to you.
Yes, sir.
There will be nothing in front of you, there will not be anybody to help you out, but you have to do yourself.
Yes, sir.
You may get help from your seniors, you may get help from the colleagues, but that is a secondary.
Yeah.
Primary thing is you should be self-capable to do the things.
Yes, sir.
And that is what we are going to teach you in this internship throughout.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So that you become skilled and you learn the techniques, how to do it.
Yes, sir.
Because once you do it for one project yourself, then
Will-
onwards, you can use the same technique to implement any project anywhere.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's how it is. So your next step will be for each of these data sets,
Yes, sir.
come up with all best possible ways, what all different database tables might be required, data sets will be required, columns will
Okay.
be required, what will be their size, what will be their data type, okay,
Okay.
all
Okay.
different data specifications.
Okay. Okay. Okay,
So
sir.
that will help you not only to understand the data, along with the queries also you have to come up with all those that I will come. Okay, so you will first understand the data which is required or
Yes, sir.
associated with your project.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. So it may involve some relational databases. I would suggest MySQL use. It
Okay, sir.
may require some NoSQL databases like MongoDB or React, like that,
Okay.
Cassandra. So again, make a note, learn about different SQL databases and NoSQL databases.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and then you need to identify which database will be best suit for which kind of data.
Okay.
Hmm. So that will be your assignment.
So I have to do the entire CSV file
Maybe
again.
you can I can summarize. You can write down so that it will be helpful for you.
Just a second, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
What are the different data tables required for each of the data sets?
Data sets required.
No, what are the different tables are required?
Okay.
Data tables. It could be SQL database or it could be a non-SQL data set.
Okay.
Okay. Specification for every data column that
Specification.
includes
Specification for every data
every data column
column.
that includes size,
That includes size.
nullability,
Sorry, sir.
whether it can be null or not.
Okay, null.
Nullability, null or not, primary key or not, unique or not, data type.
Data type.
Hmm. Next point you write relation among the tables.
Relation among the tables.
Next you write which database is most suitable
Database
for
is
the given data.
yes, sir.
Approach to decide RDBMS or NoSQL databases.
Approach to decide TBMS or NoSQL.
Next, you write what all cloud services related to data
Data
at present
present.
we can leverage. Yeah. Can you read out the last sentence what I said?
What all cloud services related to data at present can be leveraged.
Utilized or
Yeah.
leveraged. Okay. Then data security,
Data security.
data rollback and archival process.
Data rollback and
Archival process.
yes, sir.
Okay. So these tasks which I mentioned, you post it in WhatsApp in my inbox, and you can work on these things.
Okay, sir.
Anything, any doubt, question, or anything else you want to
Yes, sir.
discuss?
Yes, sir. So now for job application, hires, payments, and training enrollment, I create different data sets like using
Hmm.
SQL and all. Once it is
Hmm.
done, is it the same process, sir? Like again, clean the data and create the key
No,
visuals?
no. You have to go step by step, which I told you, right?
Uh-huh.
So, and also you insert database design,
Uh,
ER diagram and database design you include.
here
After you
diagram.
wrote no data size and ER diagram and database design.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Okay, sir.
So step by step, or all those activities which I gave you, everything you have to do. But for each individually, you can discuss now. If you have doubt with each individual task, you can ask me in that list which you wrote
Mm.
down.
Yeah, yeah, sir. Just a second. So I did not understand this one thing.
Hmm.
What all cloud services related to data at present can be leveraged?
So do you have any knowledge about cloud?
No, sir.
No, right? So write down one more task before that. Explore about cloud services,
Okay.
because this is what is the most important thing which you have to demonstrate when you display in the about your project in the college.
Oh, for the
Then only
about
they will
the
realize, okay, this is cloud services.
okay, sir.
Because nowadays without cloud services, none of the project are executed.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Mm.
Yeah, okay, sir.
And then this is about the understanding the data. Afterwards, for dashboard and other things, right?
Yes, sir.
Those things, there are different tools like Power BI, Tableau, and all that will come later. But first thing is to understand the data. These all things you have to do. This
Okay,
is a
sir.
minimum thing. There are a lot of other things, but start with this. Then gradually, I will help you as much as you can grab basically.
Okay, sir. If any queries in like when I explore more, I get more doubts. So if
Correct.
like if I have any doubts, then I'll reach out to you, sir.
Yes. First point of contact will be Nachiket. Discuss with him.
Okay,
If
sir.
he is not able to help you out, then come back to me.
Okay, so if I have any queries like while working on it, I'll
Hmm,
reach out
hmm.
to Nachik.
Yeah, you can brief about your requirement to him, and
Okay.
then gradually, if he is not able to help, then he come back to me.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, yeah, anything else?
Nothing, sir.
Hmm. You can stop the recording and send it to me, or put it in your folder. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah, no problem. Take care.